Never tell people where you get your bread from. If you do, they may burn the baker and set the bakery on fire. Some people smile when they see you eating, but inside, they are angry that you are no longer hungry. They don't want your growth at all, and they just want control over your survival. When they ask you questions, it's not always curiosity, it's investigation. They are counting your steps, measuring your progress. They will spread bad rumors about you. Not everyone deserves access to your source. Let people see the harvest, not the soil. Let them admire the bread without knowing the route to the bakery. Move in silence, build in shadows, protect what feeds you until it is strong enough. Because in this world, many don't hate you, but they hate the fact that you no longer depend on them.